Hey YouTube, this is Ricky again. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna start doing this and see if you guys like it or not. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna do a first impression and unboxing of the FD3. I'm very excited about this one. I did have the FD1 and I like that IM, so I'm hoping this one is better. So yeah, let's get started. I got this for my own money. So it's gonna be my honest review. Nobody is influencing me. So yeah, if you wanna buy one of these, I'm gonna be linking down that in the description. And if you buy it from that link, you will be helping the channel. And I want to thank everybody for your support. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And check out the giveaway video we have in the channel. Gonna be at the end of this video. Okay, let's see what's in the box here. And I'm gonna be trying to do different stuff in the channel and see how it goes. If you like it, let me know. These are about $100 in Amazon right now, so they're affordable. If they, I mean, they're not premium, but they're pretty affordable. See what's in the box. Okay, we got the starter guide here. Quick start guide. Yes, let's see what's in the box here. I haven't seen no reviews of nobody, so I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's. This is just my first look at it. Okay, we got tips. We got sound loops replacement here, or oh, I think this is for different sound. It might change the sound of the IEM. That's with this to take it out. Got foam tips here. Memory foam tips. Balance ear tips. What else? Bass ear tips. Oh, this is for bass. The other ones were for vocals. Okay, the ones come here are for vocal ear tips. The case, this is the usual case that comes with the Fios IM. It's not bad, it's good. And here we got the IMs. Cable looks very nice. That cable looks very nice. Color, I love the color. This remind me of the, I don't know if the FH3 had the same cable. Yeah, but this cable is very nice. And I guess this is a MCXX connector. Like I said, I haven't seen reviews or nothing. I just got this and I said I'm gonna do a first impression of them. Yeah, they look very nice. They have like a marble color there. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna give a test of this and see how they sound. Like I said, I don't want to do a review, but I just want to do a first impression and let you guys know. Let me plug it in. I got here the HiFi ID IDSD signature to review too. That's gonna be coming soon to the channel. Wait, I just want to see how they sound. See if they sound different from the FD ones. Okay, do a test here. Over here to my Apple Music list here. By the way, if you guys wanna check out my Apple Music uh playlist, you can. It's gonna be down in the description, so you wanna see that. Okay, so they don't sound too bright to me. So I guess they're not too bright. Let me test another song here. Uh, test here, the Summer of Love. Yeah, they have a good bass. I think they have better bass than the FD ones. See what other song I can. Yeah, like I said before, you wanna check out my playlist, go down to my description, and all these songs are gonna be there. Test Sweet Alaline. So Apple's having a problem with their app. Takes sometimes a lot of time to play the song. I know it's not my computer. I got the M1 chip, so it's fast. Yeah, sometimes I don't know if you guys have Apple Music, let me know in the comments, but sometimes to get the song to play, it gets a lot of time. Gonna play have you ever seen the rain? Gonna test Water Chicken Dark. It has good bass. That song has good bass. There's like a lot of instruments going on. Okay, yeah, I don't want to go into details. They don't, for me, first impressions, they don't sound as the FD ones. I think were a little bit more brighter. They had like a pickup there. Like I said, I haven't seen frequency response or nothing. This is just out of the box. I don't know nothing. I haven't seen reviews of these, but yeah, for me they're not too bright as the FD1, and they have maybe better bass. So I'll be doing a full review of this. Stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, check out the giveaway and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys into the next one. Bye bye.